Today we will learn about the Chinese character. So like a lot of the Chinese learner beginners, like they don't know about the Chinese calendar. I make them easy for you, and also like write down the pinyin with the character together. Like Hanzi Jishi. Hanzi means character. Jishi means knowledge. Knowledge about the character. 汉字的基本笔画 Hanzi means character. The we use as a helping word. 基本 mean basic. 笔画 means stroke. So there are different stroke we use in Chinese writing. This is the name of the different strokes, and this is the example like where we can use the different stroke in Chinese language. So the first one, like this, the dot, we call it dian. So actually dian means dot, that's why this stroke's called the dian. So where we can use like the dian in Chinese character, like you can see the green color here, the dot. Live means sex. Live means sex. We can use like the dian in live means sex. The next one is Sandian Shui. Actually in Chinese, like san means 3. Dian, as I told you before, dian means dot. Shui means water. It's look like a water. So that's why in Chinese, like we call it san dian shui. Where we can use the san dian shui, like as you can see here, like the san dian shui get together with another strokes, like this called maiyo. Mai, like maiyo. We like when you have finished, like you have something and it's finished, like in Chinese you can say 我没有. 我 means I. 我没有, I don't have. Also the Sandian Shui we can use like in Fa Guo means France. It's the country name. Like we can use like the Sandian Shui in country name. Another Chinese stroke, this Chinese stroke called Heng Zhe. Heng Zhe. This is the name of the Chinese stroke. Heng Zhe. Like where we will use the Heng Zhe Chinese stroke, like in Re. Re means sun. Like as you can see, like the green color, this Heng Zhe we can use in Re, sun. This Chinese stroke represent the Shu Zhe. Shu Zhe. This is the names in pinyin. Shu Zhe. Where we will use the Shu Zhe character, like here you can see Shan. Shan means mountain. In Chinese, like Shan called mountain. So like the green color, this is called the Shu Zhe character. Actually the straight line, when there is a straight line in Chinese, this stroke called Shu. But when like the vertical line get together with horizontal line, so we call it Shu Zhe. This is different, two kinds of different strokes. When these two strokes get together, we call it Shu Zhe. This is the Pie Zhe. Where we will use the Pie Zhe character in Chinese, like in Me. Like when you ask somebody what is your name, so you can say 你叫什么? Me, 名字 me. Like in Me, we will use the Pie Zhe. Actually when the stroke is alone, we call it Pie, but when it get together with this one, so it called the Pie Zhe.